Hey guys, it's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, we're just doing some create cartoon characters in my style. This is the first part of this video and I'm super excited. I do this series on TikTok, but I was like, let's move it over to YouTube to see how people like it. So the first character is obviously Envy from Inside Out. I think she's just so cute, so I was like, let's recreate her in my style. And like, I don't know why, but I just thought of this like cutesy little like black girl who's like full of energy and just so like excited for everything and like everybody, because like in the movie she's just like so cute and just like, obviously she's Envy, so she's like envious, but she still has this like joyful cute personality. So I was like, let's just make her this cute little black girl who has so much energy and is just like joyful of everything. So that's the first character of this series, is Envy from Inside Out. And then the second character that I decided to draw is this character. Oh my god, it is so nostalgic for me. It's the Mighty Bee character. And I was obsessed with this show when I was younger. I don't know why. It's just so nostalgic for me, and I feel like it's a show that not a lot of people watched, but if you did watch it, then you know, like, it was so iconic. And I just decided to do her in my style because she's just, again, she's so cute, and I don't know, I just wanted to see what it would look like in my style, and I really like the way that this one turned out. I think she's super cute, and I think it really like captures her like personality, I guess. So yeah, that's the second character of this series. Okay, and then the next character that I'm drawing is Bria from the Owl House. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've ever seen this show, but it's from like Disney Channel. And I was just looking up like cartoon characters to draw, and I was like, oh my god, she's so cute, or they're so cute. I don't really know their pronouns, to be honest. And I just wanted to draw them because, like, first of all, guys, I am in love with like drawing fairy type like creatures or like people. If you guys don't know that about me, like, go to my TikTok, you'll see like I just love like the ears and all that stuff. I just love drawing it. So that's why I decided to draw them from the Owl House. Like I said, I never watched this series, but I love the way that this character turned out as well. I very much do like chest up because I'm not very good with like proportions of bodies yet. Oh my god, guys, this one is like one of my favorites. I decided to do Marge Simpson and turn her into just like this baddie character because she is a baddie. So this one honestly is one of my favorites, like I said, because I just really love the way that it turned out. And I decided to give her like this little like love lock. You know how like people have like single locks? I was like, how cute would it be if I just gave her one, because like her hair is so big, but like I also wanted something like by the shoulder. So that's why I like did that. You'll see that later on, not later on, like in like 2 seconds. There it is. So yeah, that's basically that, and I really love the way this one turned out as well. I think she's super cute and it's just giving baddie. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.